Well, good evening, everybody. You could see in that shot that Eric did a little bit earlier today, it was snowing there. And as we look out over the live shot, about 400 feet above the surface here in Grand Rapids, it's kind of a haze out there. And we do have those light snow showers still going on. Those continue for the next few hours, and then they'll wind down to just flurries later this evening and overnight. So we might pick up another ½ inch or so, just enough to kind of keep the roads a little slick and wet. So watch out for that. It will be quiet over the next couple of days for the most part. Can't rule out a passing snow shower, a few flurries, but that'll be about it. Accumulating snow, we believe, will come in here on Sunday. I'm thinking maybe about 2 to 3 inches there. I'll show you that map coming up here momentarily. Temperatures over the next few days around average. What's average? About 32 degrees. We'll be around 30, 31, 32. Look at all this snow that's on the map. It's not necessarily heavy snow, but it's steady to light snow that's coming down across a lot of the area, and that will continue, I think, here over the next few hours. As we look at temperatures, we're 25 degrees in a lot of spots, 26, 27 down there in Three Rivers, and much the same in Muskegon. Here are visibilities. Anything under a 10-mile visibility is a reduced one, and almost every reporting station, unless you go to our neighbors over there in Milwaukee, is under 10-mile visibility. So that tells me that there is some snow that's coming down that's lowering the visibility there. It's a little lower there at a 1.7-mile visibility in Muskegon, 2-mile visibility in Grand Rapids. This will improve once we eventually shut those snow showers down in the next few hours. Clouds and radar moving over the last several hours. There's a low pressure system that's moving into Pennsylvania. We're on the cold side of that, or the north side of that. So we've got the cold air that's already in place over the area, and those snow showers that will keep on going. But if you look down to the south and west of Chicago, there's really not much going on. So I would expect this to continue for the next few hours, and later on this evening and overnight, we'll shut this down and turn it into probably just some flurries. And then once the winds go north, probably won't even see that unless it's out over the lake at that point. 21 degrees for the overnight low, so a little bit chilly, mostly cloudy, maybe a few flurries to the first part of the overnight period, and a north wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. At 9 p.m., there's the low pressure area, and you can still see we have some snow shower activity going on. But as that low pulls away a little further, it's going to pull all of the snow out of here as well. There's that one dominant lake band that it will be out over Lake Michigan with a north-northeast wind. And then as we go in through the day tomorrow, those winds turn northwesterly. They may drag a few light snow showers, flakes, or flurries in here through the day. It won't amount to a whole lot. This is Friday at 6 p.m. As we go into Friday night and Saturday, maybe a few flakes or flurries, and that'll be about it. And then through the day on Saturday, generally quiet conditions with maybe a light snow shower, a few flurries, and that'll be about it. So that was the one forecast model that ended there Saturday at 6 p.m. We're going to jump ahead to the longer range model. This is, again, the European model. It picks up where the other one left off. There's not much going on for Saturday, but watch this low pressure system that's going to start coming in here from the west. By Sunday morning at 6 a.m., there's the low, and there's that wide swath of snow that's off to our west. By the time we get into Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening, we're likely going to see some snow spreading across the area. You can see what happens during that time frame. Well, I could see us picking up probably about 2 or 3 inches from this, and then it'll draw up enough warm air to where we're probably going to see some rain mix in from Grand Rapids southward as we go through the day on Sunday and into Sunday evening. So I don't think Sunday is going to be a problem if you're going to be heading to church or mass or whatever. But by the time you get into Monday, there could be some slowdowns and wet pavement there for the Monday morning commute. That's still a few days off, but I just want to give you a heads up. If you're planning to go out of town, we may be dealing with a couple of inches of snow by that time. 31 tomorrow with some flakes and flurries. 31 on Saturday with some flakes and flurries. Here comes the next system. PM snow, probably some rain mixing in, breezy. Highs around 34, and it's on Sunday that I think we're looking at about 2 or 3 inches of accumulation across a lot of the area. We're 35 on Monday, and then we're in the low 30s after that. Generally quiet conditions. There's not a whole lot happening that I see out there, but Sunday is going to be the next appreciable snow event. We'll talk more in the 6:30 half hour. Derek?